Day 3 of a Disney cruise, Mayan ruins, fireworks at sea, pirate bandanas, and buying tampons in Mexico. Let's talk about it. Good morning from the Disney Magic, where today's vibe was adventure with a side of bucket list check-offing. We woke up early as the ship was pulling into Progreso, Mexico, and this is not just any port. This one boasts the longest pier in the world. So grab your coffee or eggnog because this day was equal parts breathtaking, sweaty, magical, and pirate themed. And that is the longest pier in the world. While some of us were headed off the ship for an excursion, Auntie B, Uncle Taco, and the kids decided to stay on board. And it's really a great idea. The ship is always quieter on port days, the pools are less chaotic, and sometimes the most magical vacation choice is not putting on real shoes. But for the rest of us, we had ruins to see. We booked our excursion directly through Disney Port Adventures, which meant everything was beautifully organized, clearly labeled, and impossible to mess up. A true gift. The excursion was a tour of the Uxmal Mayan ruins and Choco story, with transportation, guides, and a bagged lunch included. Once we disembarked, we boarded a coach for about a 90-minute ride inland, air-conditioned, comfortable, a bathroom on board just in case. We met our guides, Ruben, originally from France.
All right, nice to meet you, everybody. My name is Ruben.
And Ricardo, who knew everything there is to know about the Yucatan, Mayan history, and probably life in general. The description for this port adventure said guests must be ambulatory, and the reviews said not recommended for small children. And listen, they were not kidding. This was not a gentle stroll with a souvenir shop.
That's magical.
Isn't that cool?
But what they found inside this pyramid is more pyramids, all right? This is something really common to find in Mexican archaeology. It's the quadrangle of birds because of the carvings. Can you see the carvings representing birds? Quetzales, parrots. Those are really important birds for the Maya civilization. Please, now let's see the front facade. Careful with these stones.
The ruins were absolutely stunning. And also, this was heat, uneven terrain, stairs, walking, more walking, and then some bonus walking just to make sure you understood the assignment. Still, worth it. Completely worth it. I'm not even going to attempt to explain the ruins myself because frankly, when experts are available, the correct move is to let them talk while you listen and nod thoughtfully.
This is the representation of a god. This is his eye. Can you see his eye over there? Mm-hmm. Yes. This is his earring. The Mayas used to wear on huge jade earrings. This is his nose. Just as, do you know a SpongeBob? So it's a bit similar to a SpongeBob because of his really, really long nose. And his mouth. These are his teeth. It's representing his mouth. The ancient Mayas, they were in love with jewelry. They used to love the jade jewelry.
This is the kind of place that makes you stop mid-step and just stare. Massive stone structures rising out of the jungle, intricate carvings, history layered on history. True bucket list stuff. You could feel how important it was, how much effort and knowledge went into building something this precise, without modern tools, air conditioning, or a Starbucks within walking distance.
Yes, we're trying to represent elephants because of the huge earrings and their really long nose. And it makes sense, it really makes sense. The only things that do not make sense is that there are no elephants in the Americas. Right? You will find the red hand trees. Oh. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Even in the other sides, there are more red hand trees.
Oh, yeah.
because this is just the beginning, eh? We at the end we will climb a huge pyramid where there's a palace. As a flower house. Back in the colonial period, the Spaniards saw that Mayas used to call some places flower houses. And these flower houses were places where they used to teach dances. Remember that they also are mentioning Chanchak on the quadrangle of moons. Apparently, Chanchak he even built part of the magician's temple and even this ballroom. So he was a really successful king, right? Chanchak was member of the Shu dynasty. And well, in the side, you will see a representation of a feather snake.
We climbed where we were allowed, paused often for water, and moved slowly because slipping on ancient stones is not the vacation anyone wants.
A lot of symbols. Can you see all the symbols in the sides? Well, that's the hieroglyphic text.
After Uxmal, we headed to Choco's story, which, bless it, was shady, cooler, and exactly what we needed next. It's part animal refuge, part chocolate experience, and all around a gentler pace. We learned about chocolate, its cultural importance, and how it's traditionally made. There were animals, leafy paths, and plenty of shade. It felt calm and easy. This stop was the perfect balance after the intensity of Uxmal.
Traditional drink on Maya. This drink is made with pure cacao and water. It's very hot and bitter.
and then it was back on the bus for the ride back to Progreso.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay.
At the port, we were welcomed with chilled hand towels, which might be the most underrated luxury known to humanity. Back in our stateroom, we found Pirate Night bandanas, a Disney cruise tradition. Oh look, Minnie and Mickey. Like if you flip it over, is it Minnie? It is, that's cool. Nice. Oh, it's a little soft. Okay, yep, that's what it looks like. Oh, sorry. You like it? And if you have to buy tampons in Mexico, then you absolutely have to have a drink of the day on your veranda while reading the new Taylor Jenkins Reid book. I don't make the rules. That evening, we headed back to Lumiere's, but this time it was all about the pirate menu. Same elegant space, very different energy. Think themed food, playful presentation, and servers fully committing to the bit. Disney does theme nights like nobody else, and Pirate Night is one of those things that somehow works for kids, adults, and everyone who pretends they're not into it, but absolutely are. After dinner, it was time for the Pirates in the Caribbean deck party. Music, characters flying through the air, dancing, bubbles, and energy everywhere, the kind of joyful chaos that feels very Disney.
Let a hero show you how it's really done. Well, folks, I promised you a party, so here's a party in the sky. Woo!
Fun fact, Disney Cruise Line is the only cruise line in the world allowed to have fireworks at sea. Watching fireworks explode over the open ocean is one of those moments that feels surreal in the best way. After the fireworks, the kids headed off to the kids' clubs, living their best lives. Grandma and Poppy called it a night. And the grown-ups? We ended the evening with a few drinks at O'Gill's pub, swapping stories, laughing, and quietly agreeing that day 3 had absolutely delivered. Day 3 of our Very Merrytime Cruise was full in the best way. History, heat, chocolate, pirates, fireworks, and just enough downtime to make it all balance out. If you enjoyed spending the day with us, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more cruise days, travel stories, and real-life magic, and I'll see you back here for day 4. Thanks for watching.